Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Teacher Mary podcast. I'm Mary, your teacher. Today, we will learn English. Simple English. Easy English. We will learn greetings. We will learn numbers. We will learn days. We will learn about things, food, drinks, and what we do every day. This podcast is for you, for beginners, children, and students. And today I have a special guest, my friend John. Please welcome John.
Hello, Mary. Hello, everyone. I am John.
Welcome, John. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for inviting me. I am happy to be here.
Let's start with greetings. How do we say hello? The first word is hello. Can you say hello, John?
Hello.
Very good, John. Hello. Everyone, please repeat. Hello. Hello. It means oi or hola. Another greeting is hi. Hi is shorter. John, can you say hi?
Hi.
Excellent. Hi. Everyone, repeat. Hi. So we have hello and hi. Both mean hola. Now let's learn good morning. Good morning is for the morning, when the sun comes up. John, say good morning.
Good morning.
Perfect. Good morning. Everyone, repeat. Good morning. What about the afternoon? We say good afternoon. Good afternoon. John, your turn.
Good afternoon.
Wonderful. Good afternoon. Everyone, repeat. Good afternoon. And for the evening, we say good evening. Good evening. John?
Good evening.
Great! Good evening. Everyone, repeat. Good evening. So we have hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. One more important greeting. Goodbye. Goodbye means ciao when you leave. Fantastic! Goodbye. Everyone, repeat. Goodbye. Let's practice. I will say a greeting and you repeat. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye. Very good. You are doing great. Now, let's learn numbers. Numbers are important. We will start with 1. John, say 1.
1.
Good. 1. Everyone, repeat. 1. Next is 2. John, say 2.
2.
Excellent. 2. Everyone, repeat. 2. Then 3. John, say 3.
3.
Perfect. 3. Everyone, repeat. 3. After 3 is 4. John, say 4.
4.
Wonderful. 4. Everyone, repeat. 4. And then 5. John, say 5.
5.
Great! 5. Everyone, repeat. 5. Let's count together from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. John, can you count from 1 to 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Amazing! Let's do it again. Everyone, with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's learn 6. John, say 6.
6.
Good! 6. Everyone, repeat. 6. Next is 7. John, say 7.
7.
Excellent. 7. Everyone, repeat. 7. Then 8. John, say 8.
8.
Perfect. 8. Everyone, repeat. 8. After 8 is 9. John, say 9.
Wonderful. 9. Everyone, repeat. 9.
And then 10. John, say 10.
10.
10. Everyone, repeat. 10. Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Fantastic! You are learning numbers. Hoo-hoo! Now, let's learn the days of the week. There are 7 days. 7. The first day is Monday. John, say Monday.
Monday.
Good! Monday! Everyone, repeat. Monday. Next is Tuesday. John, say Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Excellent! Tuesday! Everyone, repeat. Tuesday. Then Wednesday. This one is a bit long. John, say Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Perfect. Wednesday. Everyone, repeat. Wednesday. After Wednesday is Thursday. John, say Thursday.
Thursday.
Wonderful. Thursday. Everyone, repeat. Thursday. And then Friday. Many people like Friday. John, say Friday.
Friday.
Great! Friday. Everyone, repeat. Friday. These are the weekdays, Monday to Friday. Now the weekend, Saturday. John, say Saturday.
Saturday.
Good! Saturday. Everyone, repeat. Saturday. And the last day is Sunday. John, say Sunday.
Sunday.
Excellent. Sunday. Everyone, repeat. Sunday. Let's say all the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. John, can you say them all?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Amazing! You know the days of the week. Now let's talk about objects, things we see every day. First, table. A table. John, say table.
Table.
Good. Table. Everyone, repeat. Table. Next is chair. A chair. John, say chair.
Chair.
Excellent. Chair. Everyone, repeat. Chair. Then, book. A book. John, say book.
Book.
Perfect. Book. Everyone, repeat. Book. After book is pen. A pen. John, say pen.
Pen.
Wonderful. Pen. Everyone, repeat. Pen. And then door. A door. John, say door.
Door.
Great. Door. Everyone, repeat door. One more. Window. A window. John, say window.
Window.
Fantastic. Window. Everyone, repeat window. Let's practice. I will say the word. You repeat. Table. Chair. Book. Pen. Door. Window. Very good. You are learning about objects. Now, let's talk about food. Yummy food. First, apple. An apple. John, say apple.
Apple.
Good. Apple. Everyone, repeat apple. Next, bread. Bread. John, say bread.
Bread.
Excellent. Bread. Everyone, repeat bread. Then, cheese. Cheese. John, say cheese.
Cheese.
Perfect. Cheese. Everyone, repeat cheese. After cheese is rice. Rice. John, say rice.
Rice.
Everyone, repeat rice. And then chicken. Chicken. John, say chicken. Chicken. Great. Chicken. Everyone, repeat chicken. One more. Fish. Fish. John, say fish.
Fish.
Fantastic. Fish. Everyone, repeat fish. Let's practice. I will say the food. You repeat. Apple. Bread. Cheese. Rice. Chicken. Fish. Very good. You are learning about food. Now, let's talk about drinks. What do we drink? First, water. Water. John, say water. Water. Good. Water. Everyone, repeat water. Next, milk. Milk. John, say milk.
Milk.
Excellent. Milk. Everyone, repeat milk. Then, juice. Juice. John, say juice.
Juice.
Perfect. juice. Everyone repeat juice. After juice is coffee. Coffee. John, say coffee.
Coffee.
Wonderful. Coffee. Everyone repeat coffee. And then tea. Tea. John, say tea.
Tea.
Great. Tea. Everyone repeat tea. Now, let's learn about daily activities. What do we do every day? First, wake up. To wake up. John, say wake up.
Wake up.
Good. Wake up. Everyone repeat wake up. Next, eat breakfast. To eat breakfast. John, say eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Excellent. Eat breakfast. Everyone repeat eat breakfast. Then go to work or go to school. John, say go to work.
Go to work.
Perfect. Go to work. Everyone repeat go to work. After go to work is eat lunch. To eat lunch. John, say eat lunch. Eat lunch. Wonderful. Eat lunch. Everyone repeat eat lunch. And then go home. To go home. John, say go home.
Go home.
Great. Go home. Everyone repeat go home. One more. Sleep. To sleep. John, say sleep. Sleep. Fantastic. Sleep. Everyone repeat sleep. Very good. You are learning about daily activities. Wow! We learned so much today. Let's review. We learned greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye. John, can you say them quickly? Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye. Excellent. John, the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Fantastic. You did so well, John. And you, our listeners, did amazing too. Yes, everyone did great. Thank you for joining us on Miss Teacher Mary podcast. Remember to practice these words. Say them often. Listen to this podcast again. Practice with us. Learning English is fun. It is easy. Thank you, John, for being our guest today.
Thank you, Mary. It was a pleasure.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.